Yes. So, I'll just read through. I just don't want to touch the book right now. I want to make you understand the consequences of life. It may be today my parents may be not so educated, right? I have seen some mothers, those who don't know to, though they haven't been educated too much. It's not that I'm trying to degrade them. I respect everybody. I'm just giving them, I'm showing you, I'm telling you, you have to hear. I've seen mothers who don't know to read and write and they struggle hard to get their children forward. What they have not got, they want their children to have it. By any means, by hook or by crook, beg, steal, borrow. They are going to do it for their children because they know what is life. If you don't have that, you are zero. By the time you understand, it will get too late. So pull up your socks now and get ready. It's not that you are bad. No one is bad in this world. Everyone is good. Everyone has a bad quality, that's all, which has to be overcome with the good. It's not just the English I'm teaching you in this or I'm sharing with you. It's a story. It's not a story. It's a true thing. It's an autobiography of the person who became, he guided India into the 21st century. He was a person wings with fire. Wherever he was going, he was creating Bhaskas. His parents were nothing. He didn't have a proper house also. He didn't have a proper house. President of India. A few days ago, our another president passed away. Pranab Mukherjee. Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. Another awesome person. Have you ever thought, today sit back, sit with your parents or sit with a family member who you talk to, who is a bit more senior, who is more from the past. Ask them, what is struggle? Please, for my sake today, do that. Ask your mom, ask your dad. What is the meaning of struggle? They are the best teachers in your life. They are the only teachers who will not charge you or they'll not charge you anything. No fees. Right? So when school is closed, you are not paying fees. That's what the news is saying everywhere. It's not you. I'm talking on a general basis. So why don't you look towards the teachers who are there who won't charge you fees? That's your parents. Ask them. Sit down. Say, I want to talk to you. Let's talk. Tell me something about struggle. Explain me what is struggle. Explain me what is being disciplined life. Explain me what is how to become a good human being. They will be very proud and they'll be very happy to explain that my child is asking me how to do this. Instead of asking for the mobile, can I play now? Get me this, get me that. You're always asking things. So why don't you ask this today for my sake? You will have a wonderful discussion. Do it on Sunday. Do it tomorrow. It's never late. Do it today. Do it this evening. I'm sorry because I said on Sunday because I'm recording this on Friday today. You might get it on Monday. So do it on Monday afternoon, this afternoon, do it on Tuesday. It's never late. Just put this video off and go and talk to your mother. She's always available there for you. So go and ask her what is struggle. Sit down with her, talk to her. Throw questions, let her shoot. Shoot questions to her. She will shoot back. Write it down, you will get all your answers of this story. This autobiography. You will get answers for your life. It will get you motivated. A dishwasher washing dishes. Same thing your mother also does, washing dishes in your house. Same thing also I do. But that does not mean that we are a dishwasher. Right? The person washing a dish is also having an inheritance. Why is he washing that dish sitting on the corner of the shop or the restaurant or at the back log of the restaurant or the hotel and he's washing dishes? Why? I'll tell you a short Short example. I used to travel when I used to never take my office cab in Calcutta. You know, it's very jammed up. You know, if you get stuck in the jam, you will be late for office. So my office work used to start from 6:30 in the evening, when it's around about 8:30, 9 o'clock morning in the US, different time zones in the US. They have got more than 9, 10 time zones. So my work used to start at 6:30 in the evening, and I used to finish at 3:30 in the morning or 4. Sometimes I used to linger into 5 o'clock. You know. Americans don't like to be called after it's evening. After 5, 5:30, they don't like to be called by any work. Family can call, but regarding any information or any work has to be got done. They don't like to be called. I was working for the electric companies in the US. Various 4, 5 companies I was working on the same time basis. I used to call customers, check their bills, and ask to ask them what is your problem and all. I used to log in. That's what my job was. So I had this customer database. You know, I had made customers, but I used to not take office cab. AC cab, everything is there. Driver is there. He's going to salute you, open the door, sir, sit down. This, that. Company is paying for it. I used to never avail that because we used to get stuck in the jam. Getting stuck in the jam means the person who I have told him last evening or last day that, sir, I'll be calling you today, and we'll be talking about your electricity issues. So this will be the time. I'll call you at 10, 10:30 because they have to leave house. They go to the gym. The mother of the house. We have housewives in America also. They're at home and they are very family-based people in America. You know. They're very this thing, but children after the age of 18, they go this side, that side, they leave their house and all, whatever. But, so it gets late and they get very upset, you know. They say that you Indians don't have the knowledge. Sitting in India, you think you can solve my problem. That's what they'll say. Then start up using it. So I started taking the bus. There was this bus of the state bus. You know, people don't want to avail state buses. And it's to go like a rocket. 2, 3 stoppages, direct Salt Lake to my office. I used to just get down and walk 2 minutes to my office. Traveling by bus does not matter. My prestige does not go down. My position in the office does not go down. My salary does not go down. So every morning I used to catch that bus again at 5:30. My office work used to finish at 3:30, 4, 4:30. So I used to sit at a tea shop, drink some tea, look at the morning sunrise. There's a huge lake in Salt Lake. It's Salt Lake. So there's a beautiful lake, park, and also you sit there, the bus comes there. There's a stand, beautiful bus stand, clean. People running in the morning and children playing and the lake breeze coming in. It's a beautiful thing. So I used to travel by bus in the morning. So there was one lady in the bus. I'll come back in the next video.